Hello friends, sorry for the delay. I was stuck with some work, but here again presenting the remaining part of September 2021 MH set paper. Yes, starting with the very first question without wasting much time. 51st question. Who among the following historians has characterized the Bijapur state as a feudal? Bijapur state as feudal. M.A. Naeem, J.F. Richards, Richard Eaton, Salma Faruqi. Option is A. M.A. Naeem. These are just statement based questions or random words. You might know them or not. By the way, where is Bijapur state? It is in Karnataka. And who was the which dynasty ruled it? Adil Shahi dynasty. Yes, Adil Shahi dynasty. 52nd. Battered walls are a distinct feature of the architecture of battered walls. Tughlaq, Saids, Lodhis, Jaunpur. Option A. Tughlaqs. Tughlaq architecture. Yes. You should be knowing what it is. Where are the famous monuments? So option A. Tughlaq. By the way, who was the founder of Tughlaq dynasty? Ghiyasuddin Tughlaq. And his very extraordinary son, Muhammad bin Tughlaq. Yes. Who shifted the capital from Delhi to Daulatabad and then again from Daulatabad to Delhi. Mica decoration on the outside of monuments are typical of the dash period of Sultanate architecture. Mica decoration. Khalji, Tughlaq, Said, Lodi. Option D. Lodi dynasty. Behlol Lodi, Sikandar Lodi. Yes, two rulers. 54. In the Noor Jahan junta, there was a core of dash members. 2, 3, 4, 5. Option C. 4. Yes, Noor Jahan, wife of Jahangir. Noor Jahan's or another name, Anarkali. Yes. Group of her family members. It was group of her 4 family members. Father, 2 brothers and son Khurram or Shah Jahan. Who among the following is known as Dayad in the Maratha polity? Dayad. It is Watandar, Jagirdar, Mirazdar, Saranjamdar. It is Watandar, option A. Yes, Watandar. Landholders. 56. The Amal Guzar or revenue collector was in charge of Suba, Sarkar, Pargana, village. Option B, Sarkar. Yes. This was started, Amal Guzar was started in the Mughal era, yes, during Akbar's reign. Which of the following building was not constructed by Akbar? At Fatehpur Sikri. Jodhabai's palace, Moti Masjid, Turkish Sultan's palace, Panch Mahal. Jodhabai's palace was of course built by Akbar. Moti Masjid. Yes, Moti Masjid was built by Aurangzeb. Yes. And here I will also like to add few more points. In 1659, 1660 approx. Then there is a Moti Masjid in Lahore. Moti Masjid in Lahore by Jahangir. And one more question. Moti Masjid in Agra Fort. Moti Masjid in Agra Fort. It was by Shahjahan. Yes. There are 3 famous Moti Masjids. You should keep a note of this. Sorry. What was Ijara? 58th question. What was Ijara? The system of revenue farming, the tax to be paid on entry into market town, the tax to be paid when reshipping goods from a port, the system of sharecropping. Ijara Dari system. Yes. Option A, the system of revenue farming. महसूल शेतीची पद्धत. It was also started during the Mughal period, but later Mughals, Jahandar Shah. Yes, Jahandar Shah. It was opposite to the Todarmal's revenue farming system. Todarmal during the time of Akbar. 59. What do the words Iri, Srota, Kinaru and Vapi have in common? I know this will be a very illogical thing, but you can guess the answer by this. All refer to the guilds of merchants, all refer to different kinds of irrigation sources, all refer to different kinds of cloth, all refer to dyes. Iri, we can go with all refer to different types of kinds of irrigation. I know this is not a correct way, but yeah, you can try a logic. So, what is Iri? Iri or Talaka. Iri are tanks. Srota. These are water channels. Kinaru, wells. Yes. And then Vapi. Vapi is step wells. Keep this word terms in mind because there might be question about some random word in the next exam. There are some more words like Kinaru or Kupa for the wells, and Iri, Talaka, Kers, Pushkarni for the tanks. Question number 60. The 3 most important items of trade in the intra-Asian network. Actually, there are 2 answers to this question. Silk, cotton, cloth and pepper. Gold, silver and horses. Cotton, cloth, pepper and horses. Pepper, silk and horses. So the correct answer is silk, cotton, cloth and pepper. Cotton, cloth, pepper and horses. So the correct answer is silk, cotton, cloth, pepper and horses. Yes. The art of Bidri ware is traced to the patronage and facilities provided by Bidar in Karnataka. Yes, the Bahmani Sultanates. It was patronized by Muhammad Gawan. 61. Answer C, Muhammad Gawan. By the way, it is a combination of brass and silver, and this art has also got a GI tag in some 2006 or 2008. Yes, I don't remember the exact year. 62. With which Raja did Pillaji Rao Gaikwad establish contact to get safe bases inside Gujarat? Pillaji Rao Gaikwad. By the way, do you know that the Gaikwads are of Baroda? Yes. And Scindias, yes, later that got divided. Bhosle, Holkars of Indore, Ahilyabai family. So here the question is, with Raja did Pillaji Rao Gaikwad establish contact? Pillaji Rao Gaikwad was the founder of the Gaikwad dynasty or the Maharaja of Baroda in 1721, and he took help of the Raja of Rajpipla. It is also in Gujarat. Yes, Rajpipla. So what do the words Bandarwada and Maumala have in common? Both are the names of taxes on lands, both refer to methods of assessment, both are methods of collection, both are words meaning crown land. Option 63, answer is D. Both are the words meaning crown land. Yes. Bandarwada, crown village. It was during the time of Vijayanagar. Then there are more two terms. There were three terms. Bandarwada was the crown village. Manya was the tax-free village for Brahmanas, temples and schools. And Amara to Amar Naikas. Yes. Revenue. From the revenue they used to get the income. 3. Manya and Amara related to Vijayanagar dynasty. 64. Pits and vats located at Kalpi, Sangam near Zafrabad, Khultabad and Irandol are associated with. These are the towns in Maharashtra. So, glass manufacture, indigo, paper, saltpeter. Option C, paper. Kagad. 65th. Who was the first Indian ruler to welcome Vasco da Gama? We found something same related to this in 2023 paper. Yes. Who was the ruler of Calicut? It was something like that. Yes. Zamorin, the ruler of Calicut. The immediate successor of Clive was. This is somewhat tricky question because we don't consider him much. It is Vereslit, Harry Vereslit, 1767 to 1769. The Battle of Bidera was fought between English and French, English and Dutch, English and Portuguese, French and the Nawab's army. The English and the Dutch. Yes, it is also known as Battle of Chinusura or Hugli. And who lost it? Dutch. They have to give up their possession. Moving forward, 60th question. Who was known as Colonial Clive's jackal in the 18th century India? Robert Clive. Who was it? Ami Chand, Jagat Seth, Mir Jafar, Mir Qasim. These are all the names related to the 1757 Battle of Plassey. He was Mir Jafar. Yes. Gaddar. He was also known as Colonel Clive's donkey. The Black Hole was famous as residency of Nawab Sirajuddaulah, important residency for royal family. Entrance name of Fort William, tiny prison cell. You might have heard about the Black Hole tragedy. Yes, it was of Calcutta, where Sirajuddaulah captured 146 English officers in a small room, and many died by suffocation in 1756 before the Battle of Plassey. Before Sirajuddaulah saw that the English were building forts around their possessions. Yes. See, the questions are interlinked. Like, this is also related to the Battle of Plassey, and this is also before Battle of Plassey, related to the same ruler, the Nawab Sirajuddaulah. In March 1757, again 1757, the British conquered this French colony in India. Pondicherry, Chandranagar, Mahe, Karikal or Karikal. It is Chandranagar, French colony, but later British. In West Bengal. 71. This is very easy, very common question. This act broke the trade monopoly of the East India Company and opened Indian trade to all British merchants. Pitt's Act 1784, Regulating Act 1793, Charter Act 1813, Charter Act 1815. There is nothing like 1815, so ये तो eliminate हो ही जाता है. Charter Act of 1813. Yes, it was the act in which there was monopoly over tea and trade with China by the East India Company. बाकी सब पे टूट गया था, बाकी सब खत्म हो गया था. Only tea and trade with China. Tea and trade with China. Keep this in mind. वो कब खत्म हुई थी? वो 1833 के चार्टर एक्ट से खत्म हुई थी. Do you want it in English or English, pure English? Let me know in the comments. 72. Which of the following Governor General introduced the laissez-faire policy of trade? Lord Cornwallis, Mount Stuart, Elphinstone, Lord Hastings, Lord Dalhousie. सबसे ज़्यादा अगर कोई रहा गवर्नर जनरल था जिसने एक्सपेरिमेंट्स किए तो वो लॉर्ड डलहाउसी. एनेक्सेशन सब्सिडरी अलायंस, सो गवर्नर जनरल लॉर्ड डलहाउसी. बाय द वे ये क्या था कि नो टैक्सेस, रेगुलेशंस और टैरिफ्स और फ्री मार्केट चाहिए, और इट वॉज अपोज टू द गवर्नमेंट इंटरवेंशन. लाइक गवर्नमेंट का कोई इंटरवेंशन नहीं होना उन्हें. नेम ऑफ द फर्स्ट एंथ्रोपोलॉजिस्ट हु यूज द टर्म द्रविडियन. द साउथ इंडियन पीपल, टू डिनोट द साउथ इंडियन पीपल. S.K. Chatterjee, B.S. Goa, Sir Herbert Risley, Bishop Gladwell. Answer is D. Bishop Gladwell. It was the word based on the Tantravartika by Kumarila Bhatt. Yes, in this there was mention of the word Dravida. Let me write the name. Tantra by Kumarila Bhatt. कीप दिस थिंग्स इन माइंड. कभी बुक्स एंड ऑथर्स में आ सकता है, मैच द पेयर्स के लिए बोलो या कोई भी चीज़ के लिए. जस्ट टेक अ नोट ऑफ दिस. Which revenue system did Elphinstone introduced in Bombay Presidency? परमानेंट सेटलमेंट, रैतवारी सेटलमेंट सिस्टम, महलवारी सिस्टम, तलुकदारी सिस्टम और तालुकदारी. 74th ऑप्शन इज रैतवारी सिस्टम. रैतवारी सिस्टम. It was started by Thomas Munro in Madras. By the way, Rayatwari was also found in Assam and Coorg. HT Princip. If you know the inscriptions of Ashoka, then you know HT Princip. HT Princip was associated with legal codification, army reforms, Orientalist education, Anglist education. Orientalist education. By the way, what is Orientalist? The one who studies the study of language, culture and history of the East Asia. East Asia, that is India inside. Yes. And who deciphered the Brahmi and Kharosthi scripts? H.T. Princip. I said he is associated with Ashoka, father of epigraphy. H.T. Princip. 76. Under which Charter Act was the Law Commission set up in India? There are two important Charter Acts, 1813 and 1833. So, option C, Charter Act of 1833. Benign aspects of colonialism can be seen from the example of this person who learned the basics of science in the service of Sir John Malcolm and wrote a tract called Rasayan Shastra. Irlu bin Narayan, Shripati Sheshatari, Gangaram Tambad, Ramji bin Ganoji Choule. Gangaram Tambad. Yes, there is not much information about this. It is a very out of context question. What was the Rahnumai Masjid Daisan Sabha? Parsi Sports Club, faction of Parsi Panchayat, Parsi Social Reform Organization, Parsi Charitable Hospital. It was Parsi Social Reform Organization, and yes, Dadabhai Naoroji was also associated with it. It was a social reform organization during the time before in the 19th century, that is during the 1800s, late 1800s. Moving further, this cult was founded by Karam Shah in the Garo Hills region, revolted against the Zamindars, advocating the right of the rent farmers. Ferezi, Pagalpanti, Khasi, Naga. It is option B, Pagalpanti by Karam Shah. Yes, a semi-religious organization which was composed of Hajong and Kaharo tribes of Mayan Singh district, which was in Bengal. Philosophy was to follow religious harmony and non-violence, incorporating tenets of Sufism, Hinduism and animism, non-violence and religious harmony. Pagalpanti movement. By the way, in which year? 1825. This secretary of the Bombay Native Education and School Book Society founded the Engineer Institution in Mumbai in 1823. John Briggs, Colonel Pottinger, Captain Jervis, Major Candy. Option C, Captain Jervis. These questions are somewhat difficult, but you can solve the rest of the paper with ease. And there is no negative marking, so you can try your logics, or if तुम्हारे तुक्के लगते होंगे तो. Yes. This famine in 19th century India was described as the Sea of Calamity. Rajputana 68-69, Madras 1866-67, Bengal 1860-61 and Orissa 1866-67. It was 81. का आंसर डी, ओरिसा फेमाइन, सी ऑफ कैलामिटी, 1866-67. Just before the revolt of 1857, the highest post an Indian could occupy in the military was the Subedar. The highest civil administrative post that an Indian could occupy was. Here we get two answers. Highest post in military, Subedar. Highest civil administrative post, Sadar Amin, Talukdar, Mamladar, Kanungo. It was A, Sadar Amin, head of police station. Here we also get that next exam में might come highest post India could occupy in military, Subedar. Yes. 83rd. They started a night school for meal workers and domestic workers in 1873. This night school was started in Bombay. Yes, and it was started by Bombay Association. 1873. Keep the year. Mahatma Gandhi described Dash death as setting of great planet from India's solar system. Gopal Krishna Gokhale, B.G. Tilak, Lala Lajpat Rai, Bipin Chandra Pal. These are statement based questions. It is difficult to solve, but not impossible. By solving PYQ, you might get the idea. C. Lala Lajpat Rai. By the way, when was Lala Lajpat Rai dead? When he was doing the Simon Commission, revolt against the Simon Commission, and there was lathi charge in which he was beaten up to death. Yes. And in which year he died? (1928) in Lahore. He was protesting against the Simon Act, Simon Commission. Which year? Sorry for the slow pace. In his autobiography, Mahatma Gandhi has written a chapter entitled The Magic Spell of a Book, which refers to Bhagavad Gita, Tulsi Ramayana, On to This Last, War and Peace. On to This Last, option C. Yes, it was mentioned that it has influenced Gandhiji for the path of Satyagraha, non-violence. Yes, this is one of the book. which inspired Gandhiji. And the author is, who is the author of this book? John Ruskin. C.N. Mudaliar was associated with Izhava movement, Justice movement, Nair movement, Nadar movement, Justice movement. Option B. 86 को option B, Justice movement. It was started by C.N. Mudaliar, T.M. Nair and P. Tyagaraja to secure jobs and representations for non-Brahmins in legislature. Yes, it was against the Brahmins. And it was started in 1917 in Madras Presidency. Separate representation for lower caste in the legislature. Yes, separate representation for lower caste. Justice movement. Arrange these Indian initiatives in the education in a chronological order. Bethune School, Calcutta, Banaras Hindu University, MAO College, Aligarh and Hindu College, Calcutta. So here we have to arrange. By the way, do anyone know that which might come last? Banaras Hindu University. It was in 1916, the last. Is there any option where second is last? If you know this little hint, you can solve this question. Option number A. We will also look at the years of other, but this might help you. It was yes. Now, for which will be the first? According to this, Hindu College, Calcutta. Yes, Hindu College, Calcutta. It was started somewhere in. Let me remember. It was started somewhere back in 1817. Yes, 1817. Sorry, 1817. Then first Bethune College, Bethune School, Bethune School. It was started in 1849, and then MAO 1875 something. Yes, 1875. Take a note of all this. And yes, also go through the founders. MAO was by Sir Syed Ahmad Khan. Predecessor of this college, like it was Muhammad. Presently it is the Aligarh University. Back then it was Muhammadan Anglo-Oriental College, MAO. Then Banaras Hindu University, Swami Dayanand. Yeah, please go through the founders. We will not waste much time, okay? We will stick to the basics. This fearless lady gave up her life on 1st April 1914 Sri Kulam, Shirka Kulam, for protecting the forest rights of the peasants. Veera Gunamma, Ambu Jamal, Janki Amal, Krishna Jamal Jagannath. Option A, Veera Gunamma, Veena Gunamma. Match. Again there is match. Match list 1 with list 2. Let me make it more smaller. Is it visible? Yes. So option, we will directly go for through the option. Option is C. 89th option is C. SN Sen, Rise of the Maratha Power. Oh, sorry. Rise of the Maratha Power. M.G. Ranade, Foreign Biographies of Shivaji. R. Orme, Historical Fragments of Mughal Empire. Sorry. R. Orme is History of Hindustan. And Alexander Daw, Historical Fragments of Mughal Empire. Sorry for the error. And you can also go through the... No, you can't. Sorry. Yes, moving further. Yeah, I am somewhat unwell today. That was the reason for the delay. Hope you guys understand. Arrange the following events into correct chronological order. Cabinet Mission Plan, Mountbatten Plan, Wavell Plan, Cripps Mission Plan. This question was dropped because of some reason. That answer, there was no correct answer. Option there was no answer, but if here we do 1 and here we do 2, we can solve the question. Yes. First of all, Cripps Mission Plan, 1942. Cripps Mission Plan, 1942. Then Wavell Plan, 1945. Cabinet Mission Plan, which was in 1946, and this 1947. Mountbatten Plan. Which Indian painter was given the honor of illustrating the original version of the Indian Constitution? Original version. Ramkinkar Baij, Vinod Bihari Mohan, Nandlal Bose, Abhindranath Tagore. Abhindranath Tagore was in he was in 19th century. Yes, Constitution was in 20th century. C. Nandlal Bose. Nandlal Bose, Indian painter. Yes. Let's move further. Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar dedicated one of his scholarly works to his wife Ramabai. Which was this book? States and Minorities in India, Annihilation of Caste, Buddha and his Dhamma, Pakistan or the Partition of India. 92. Answer is D. Pakistan or Partition of India. By the way, in this book, there it is shows how Congress and British government played a role in partition and the dynamics of Hindu Mahasabha and the Muslim League. A good book to read. What is the major issue dealt with Baba Padamji's novel Yamuna Paryatan? Colonial rule, difficulties in traveling, life of widowhood, blind faith. Option C, life of widowhood. In this book, he praises the teaching of Christianity, describing how miserable life of Hindu widows in the 19th century, like widows की life, sati, एजुकेशन, इन सब के ऊपर डिस्कशन किया हुआ है। 94 व्हाट वाज तहजीब उल अखलक, तहजीब उल अखलाक, प्रिंसिपल्स ऑफ देवबंद इस्लाम, इस्लामिक स्कूल, एसोसिएशन ऑफ प्रोग्रेसिव्स और जर्नल। It was D. Journal, which was started by Sir Syed Ahmad Khan in 1871. Journal by Sir Syed Ahmad Khan in 1871. This book by 95th question. This book by Mukund Rao Patil was a satire depicting the injustice perpetrated by hereditary village officials. शेठजी प्रताप कुलकर्णी, लीला अमृत, ध शास्त्री परणे and Deen Mitra. This work by Mukund Rao Patil was a satire. कुलकर्णी लीला अमृत by Mukund Rao Patil. Yes. विलेज में जो हेरिडिटरी विलेज लैंड जाती है उसके ऊपर है ये बुक। एपिसोड्स फ्रॉम कृष्णाज लाइफ वेयर पॉपुलर थीम्स इन 12 माही पेंटिंग, डेक्कनी पेंटिंग, राजपूत रागमाला पेंटिंग, मुगल मिनिएचर्स। 96 का आंसर राजपूत रागमाला पेंटिंग्स। यस, गार्लैंड ऑफ रागाज, स्टोरी ऑफ हीरो हीरोइन। It was a painting which depicts seasons and times of day and night. And major paintings were of Krishna's life. 97. One of the main contribution of church historiography is the concept of institutional history, local history, religious history, universal history. Option D, universal history. The term toponym signifies places names, currency names, paper used in writing manuscripts, ink used in writing manuscripts. Places names, that is the names of villages and towns, cities. The title of Varman was adopted by the kings of Samta, Gauda, Kamrupa, Punjab. Option C, Kamrupa. Varman dynasty of Bengal and East Bihar. Yes. Who was the founder? Pushyavarman. It was the dynasty somewhere in 350 to 650 CE. Who among the following used the phrase Alticarian paradigm? Alticarian paradigm. Answer is B. Oma Chakravarti and Kumkum Roy. It was a limiting and biased, but it still continued to influence this paradigm. Yes.